welcome to my channel. I will be reviewing the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative line. I use the LCO method, so I'll be starting out with their leave-in conditioner. In this video, you'll see me finger detangling. I've been doing that for a while, so I will not be using a comb or a Denman brush or a tangle teaser. I'll probably just use a comb to maybe part my hair, and that'll probably be about it. So enjoy the rest of the review. Next, I'll be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shower Cream. I use it as my moisturizer / styler, and in the LCO method, it'll be considered my cream. I just finger detangle and work that through my hair, make sure it gets in there, and I put a little extra on my ends because your ends are the oldest part of your hair. They do need a little more TLC, so putting more moisture on them will help them to be a little stronger and help them so that they're not as fragile to break off as much. And if they're not breaking off as much, then you're retaining length. Finally, I'll be using the Longaid Naturals Manuka Honey and Coconut Shine and Refresher Spray. That will be my oil in the LCO method, and I use that to seal all the moisture in my hair that I just put in. For the review, I would recommend all three of these products. They all work well on my hair. The leave-in conditioner is a strengthening / moisturizing leave-in conditioner in my opinion. It gives me moisture, but I also feel at the same time my strands are being strengthened. And then I've had other leave-in conditioners where it just gives me like moisture and like I can feel that it's really penetrating in my hair. And not that this doesn't penetrate in your hair, it does, but then I feel like there's an extent where it's like you can also tell that it's really strengthening, so it kind of gives you like a mix of both. But if you just wanted just moisture, then you'd use something else, and this could be something when you do need that little extra boost of strength. So moving on to the Twist and Shout cream, that is very thick. It's moisturizing. It gives me that extra moisture on top of like the leave-in conditioner, so I really like that. And my hair stays moisturized and looking moisturized throughout the week. The Longaid Naturals, the refresher spray, the oil refresher spray, that one coats my hair, locks in the moisture, and it gives my hair sheen. So it pretty much does its job, being able to be at the end like for the LCO and just locking in all that moisture. Products work different on different people's hair. It may work for you, it may not. So I would say go check these products out. I will have them linked in the description box down below. Continue watching to see how I protect my hair at night, the takedown, and the final results using these products. Hi, I'm back for the takedown. This is 3 to 4 days after you saw me finish doing my twists. I have a satin bonnet, and then I use a satin scarf underneath. The scarf really helps to lay down, as you can see how the hair looks flat, and the little pieces of my hair or twists that are hanging out in the back, I have the bonnet on, so the bonnet protects that. And you can also have a satin pillowcase, which I do have as well. And that would also help if your bonnet or your scarf comes off and, you know, at night when you're sleeping. I use the Shea Moisture 100% pure Baobab oil. Usually I use any oil that I have to kind of just coat my hair as you see me doing, and then take it down. It helps to kind of smooth down any frizzies, if there's any frizzies or flyaways. And then as I'm taking my hair down, again, it's also smoothing. There's not like extra friction because my hands are dry or anything like that. And it does help to give a little sheen to your finished style at the end because, you know, the oil's coating on top. At this point, all my hair is separated into two. Now I'm showing you how I further separate it in the back. I just kind of stretch the hair out and separate it where it naturally wants to separate. And then you can see that I'm twirling the ends around my finger. I actually found out that it's better to just naturally separate them and, you know, separate it slowly and let it be, unless I really see maybe on the end something had came out and it looks a little straighter and I want to just curl that, then I'll twirl it. But just twirling all of them like I did, I find that it makes my ends look frizzy versus just splitting it and letting it sit. So I skipped to showing you how I separate the front. I don't separate the front as much as I do the back. The back I separate more just to get more volume, and the front I just try to separate as little as possible so that I keep the definition in the front. You can see that it still looks really defined in the front. Now that everything's separated, I'm going to show you how I fluff, blur my parting lines, and shape my hair. I did delete some of the footage, or at least like took some of it out in the editing because it seemed a little long. It still seems kind of a lengthy, I guess you could say, but I just want to show you what I really do. If you don't have as much time, you don't have to spend as much time doing it. And you might see me kind of repetitively like pulling or fluffing the hair. It's just to really get those party lines out, and as well as to pull and shape the hair how I want it, and, you know, put a little more volume in this section, or pull this part a little longer, or fluff this part out, or, you know, I just trying to get it to the way that I like it and what I'm going to be comfortable with and satisfied with. Again, if you do not have as much time, like say in the morning or something like that before you're going somewhere, you could just do the bare minimum, pick, fluff, shake out, and maybe stretch it a little bit with your hands to kind of shape it, and that's it, and go. These are the final results. The link to every product used in this video will be in the description box down below. Since you made it this far into the video, I know you like my content, so subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos that I post. Like my video, share it with your friends and family, comment. I would love to see your feedback. Follow me on my social medias that I will be posting on the screen. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.